Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading video for you guys based on my secret market scanner. In today's video I'm going to share with you one of my client's account who deposited $20,000 today, and in single day only I made around $1,977 in his account. So that's around 10% gains in one day only, and this is how I trade for my clients. You will not find any other trader in the entire world who can make you these kind of returns. If you are willing me to trade your account on your behalf, you can contact me on my free Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can join my free Telegram channel and send me a message there. Now let me show you why I took this trade. As you can see, according to my secret market scanner, New Zealand yen was a buy, and according to my system rules it was a buy around here. And if we go to the shorter time frame, look at that. The price was sitting at support area with S1, and I took a long here and booked my profit somewhere around here for 31 pips. So this is how I trade, and this is how I make money for my clients. If you want to trade yourself, you can buy my secret market scanner. You can email support@FxChildsplaySignals.com, and if you want me to trade your account on your behalf and you don't want to trade yourself, then you can always message me on my free Telegram channel. You must join my free Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I hope you like this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and post some feedback in the comment section below. This really motivates me to make more videos for you guys. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.